Hello everyone, in today's tutorial we are going to print the Armstrong number in a given range. So these are the steps which we are going to follow. The first step is to get the range as an input from the user. The second step is to use the for loop to access the numbers in a given range. And inside the for loop we are going to pass the iterator value to the isArmstrong function. And if the function returns 1, then we are going to print that the iterator value is an Armstrong number, else we are not going to do anything. So this is the basic concept and steps which we are going to follow to write the code for this question. Now let's move on to the coding part. So this is the isArmstrong function which I have written here already. So in order to know the logic and how to code this particular function, please check my previous video which is about how to check whether a given number is an Armstrong or not using isArmstrong function. So now I will be writing here the main part. To define the main part, we are going to first take the input of the given range. So we are going to declare the variable int a, v and iterator I, scene a, which is the lower limit of the given range, and scene b, which is the upper limit of the range. Now we are going to define the for loop. So inside for loop, for I equal to a, I less than equal to b, I plus plus. Now we are going to check if the iterator I is an Armstrong or not. If is Armstrong of I, if it is an Armstrong number, then we are going to print that I is an Armstrong number. So this is the complete code for this question. Now we are going to check the output by passing the custom inputs. So let's the start of the range be 100 and the ending will be 200. Let's see what comes as an output. So it is showing that 153 is an Armstrong number, which is correct. Now let's change the range to say 500. Sorry, it's here 500, and now check. So see, we are getting that 153, 370, 371 and 407 is an Armstrong number. So we are getting the correct output and the code is here, which is completely correct. So thank you. For any queries, please comment below. Please like and subscribe for further updates.